Finney here with creatingvaluellc.com. Over the past week, I've been helping clients and friends adapt to our new situation of the COVID-19, remote, everyone going remote, people, businesses, everything. And this is my collection of questions that I'm getting multiple times. So one of the things that I'm being asked how to accomplish is making a way for people to contact you, reach out to you. So of course, my answer is you need a website that is your go-to hub and all that, and need to make it easy for people to reach you and guide them to the best communication channel on that website. But in the situation we're in right now, you might not want to be adding a form and testing the functionality. There's a pros and cons to how you achieve that. So I'm trying to provide the information that anyone and everyone can implement on their own, as a quickest way to solving the problem, and then circle back and perfect it later. So for that reason, if you are trying to gather information and collect stuff from people, a very quick way to facilitate that is through using Google Forms. And so here you go. And I'll show you an example. So I have this creatingvaluellc.com/pandemic page, where you'll find a link to the playlist of videos, which this will be added to. And if anyone needs, watches one of these videos and has a specific question and needs to reach out, of course I could put a form on my page, but I did it this way to show others a way to achieve this, which is least friction, least variables, right? So I have a link here to a Google hosted form, and I put in an image as a header. I put in some text for some context. Email required, so put in an email. And then here's the question, what do you need help with? So we'll go ahead and put one of these in here. Like, I need help with this issue. Hit submit. All right, done. Now, the reason I'm saying to use this is it's hosted on Google. So your website, I don't know what kind of hosting platform you have. I don't know what kind of, website. I don't know I don't know the situation of your website. And I would need to know the situation of your website in order to walk you through how to add a form to your website. But most people have the ability to add a link somewhere, and this is a great way to achieve that. So now that you know what the user experience is, let's take a look at how that happens on the backside here. These save into a Google Sheet. And here we are testing my Google Sheet. I also have it set up where I get an email letting me know that someone submitted something. But here you go. So there's the the timestamp, so I know when it came in, the email address, and then here's what they wrote. You can make this form as long as you need it to be. You can add all kinds of different questions, multiple choice, drop downs, open text, and all that. But just remember, like, the more fields, the less number of people finish the field. So that is my recommendation for getting an information gathering form live as fast as possible with as little friction as possible. And here are some other things I've covered. Check out this playlist, and I'll just continue to add to it. Thanks a lot. Let me know how I can help out. All right, talk soon.